Now drop it through.
Eight autos at Dr. George. With Mike!
Hey!
Yay! Mike brought the Sarah. Yay! Mike's putting on a school with the Toyota Sarah. This baby draws a lot of attention.
He's got beautiful cars of his own and knows what he's looking at. Has picked Gary Trippier and daughter Lauren Trippier out of Palm Desert. It's a 64 Buick, 64 Studebaker Avanti. I must be getting tired. Studebaker Avanti R2 supercharged, 289 V8 supercharged motor, blue in color, and maintained by Bobby Desaro. Isn't that cool? Now that's styling. That's classic,
thank you very much.
Classic detail that you don't see in some of the old builds. And this is really a classic car from 1964. Thank you, Gary. Thank you, Lauren, for being with us at our show today. Thank you. Give me a hand, folks. Maybe.
Yeah! See? Gary got it now. Yep.